Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about shopping at the supermarket. In this video, you will follow Laura and Charlie as they go grocery shopping together. You'll hear simple, everyday English that people use when they shop for food. Have you ever been to an American supermarket? Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Here we are. The parking lot isn't too full today.
That's good. We can park close to the entrance.
Perfect. Did you bring the shopping list?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Great. Let's go inside.
Okay. Do we need many things today?
Just some basics. Vegetables, fruit, bread, and milk.
And maybe some snacks?
Sure. We can look at the snacks, too.
Nice. I'm ready to shop.
Me too. Let's get a cart first.
I'll get a cart for us.
Thanks. This one looks good.
It rolls nicely. Not broken.
That's lucky. Sometimes the wheels don't work.
I know. I always check first.
Good idea. Now we're ready.
Let's go in. The doors are automatic.
Yes, they just opened for that person.
Okay, after you.
Thank you. It's nice and cool inside.
The air conditioning feels good.
Wow, it's busy today.
Not too bad. I've seen worse.
True. Where should we start?
Let's check the list first.
Okay, show me your phone.
Here, we need vegetables first.
Perfect. The produce section is right there.
I can see it. Lots of green things.
Yes, fresh vegetables and fruits.
It smells fresh, too.
Let's go look at the vegetables.
Okay, let me read the list.
Go ahead. What's first?
We need tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce.
Good. Those are all here in the produce section.
Then we need apples and bananas.
The fruit is just over there.
Great. What else?
Bread, milk, eggs, and cheese.
That's not too much.
No, it's a quick trip today.
Perfect. Let's start with the tomatoes.
Look at all these vegetables.
They look very fresh today.
Yes, the lettuce is bright green.
Should we get one?
Yes, let's pick a nice one.
What about carrots?
We need those too. They're on the list.
These orange ones look good.
Perfect. Put them in the cart.
Done. Now we need tomatoes.
I see them. They're right over there. Here are the tomatoes.
They're so red and shiny.
I'm looking for firm ones.
This one feels good.
Let me check. Yes, that's perfect.
How many do we need?
Maybe 4 or 5.
Okay, I'll pick some more.
Make sure they're not too soft.
Got it. These are good.
Great. Now let's get some fruit.
Now we're in the fruit section.
Yes, I love this part.
Me too. Everything looks delicious.
We need apples. Which kind do you want?
I like the red ones.
Red apples are sweet.
Exactly. I'll pick 6.
Good idea. Hold on, I'll get a bag.
Thanks. Here, I'm putting them in.
Perfect. They look fresh.
Should we get bananas too?
Yes, but first let's go to the bakery. Here's the bakery section.
It smells so good here.
I know, fresh bread always smells amazing.
What kind should we get?
I want whole wheat bread.
Is it healthier?
Yes, and it tastes good too.
Okay, this one looks nice.
Let me check the date. Yes, it's very fresh.
Perfect. Put it in the cart.
Done. Now we need dairy products.
Now we're in the dairy aisle.
It's cold here.
Yes, everything is refrigerated.
We need milk and eggs.
What kind of milk?
2%, the one in the blue container.
I see it. Can you reach it?
Yes, I've got it. It's heavy.
Here, I'll put it in the cart.
Thanks. Now, where are the eggs?
They're at the end of this aisle. Here are the eggs.
Great. Open the carton first.
Why?
To check if any are broken.
Oh, smart. Let me look.
Are they okay?
Yes, they all look perfect.
Wonderful. We also need cheese.
What kind?
Cheddar cheese. For sandwiches.
I found it. This one?
Yes, perfect. Put it in the cart. Should we get anything frozen?
Maybe some frozen vegetables?
We have fresh vegetables already.
True. What about ice cream?
That sounds good.
What flavor do you like?
Vanilla is my favorite.
Mine is chocolate.
Let's get both.
Great idea. We can share.
Perfect. Let's move on to snacks now.
Here's the snack aisle.
So many choices.
I want some chips.
What flavor?
Barbecue is really good.
I prefer salty chips.
We can get both.
Should we get crackers too?
Yes, for the cheese.
Good thinking. I'll grab some.
Now we have lots of snacks.
We need something to drink.
What do you want?
Orange juice would be nice.
I agree. It's healthy too.
I'll get the big bottle.
Good. That lasts longer.
Should we get soda?
Maybe just one bottle.
Okay, which kind?
Cola is fine.
Perfect. I think we have everything now.
Wait, let me check the list one more time.
Good idea. Did we forget anything?
Let's see. Vegetables? Check.
Fruit? Check.
Bread, milk, eggs, cheese? All check.
We got snacks and drinks too.
And ice cream.
Right. I think we have everything.
Perfect. Let's go pay.
Yes, let's find a checkout line.
I hope the line isn't too long.
There are the checkout lines.
Which one is shortest?
Let me look. That one on the left.
Line number 3?
Yes, only 2 people waiting.
Great. Let's go there.
Our cart is really full,
I know. We bought a lot today.
but we needed everything.
True. We won't need to shop for a while.
That's nice. Okay, let's get in line. We're next in line soon.
Yes, just one more person.
This line is moving fast.
The cashier is quick.
That's good. I'm getting tired.
Me too. Standing is hard.
But we're almost done.
Yes, then we can go home.
And put everything away.
I'll help you.
Thanks. Oh, look, it's our turn now. Let's put everything on the belt.
I'll help you.
Thanks. Hand me the milk first.
Here you go. It's heavy.
I've got it. Now the bread.
The cashier is scanning already.
She's very fast.
Yes, we should hurry.
Almost done. Just the chips and drinks.
Here they are.
Perfect. That's everything.
All done. That wasn't too bad.
No, it was pretty quick.
I'm glad we made a list.
It really helped.
Now, let's go to the car.
Yes, be careful with the eggs.
Don't worry, they're safe.
Good. I can't wait to get home.
Me too. Should we have lunch first?
That's a great idea.
Perfect. Let's go.
I hope this video helped you learn useful English for shopping at the supermarket. Now, let me ask you, what is your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket? Please write your answer in the comments. On this channel, I share simple stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and learn new vocabulary. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.